Hi guys. We are headed into Walmart for our weekly grocery trip. We usually go on Sundays. It is Sunday. I have got my list all ready to go. Look at that paper. Tell me you're keto without telling me you're keto. So we have got the meals all planned out, and I'm just gonna buy all the stuff, not meal prep it, just buy it. But I'll kind of give you a rundown of how I organize my list. So I organize it by section, so I'm not running around all over the store. So I have meat, dairy, middle aisle / frozen, because at our Walmart it's like the same thing, and then produce, and then on the back I have other. So, and little one has his own list that he forgot, but that's all right. What's on your list, Kelly?
Milk, orange juice, and blueberries.
That's a good list. That is a good list. So yeah, let's get going. So far in the meat section, we have got ground beef, the Wagyu beef patties, my boyfriend loves those, chicken breast, and then I like the thicker cut pork chops, but all they had is like the center cut ones, but that's okay. Let's go see what beef they have on sale. So their meat section kind of sucked for beef, so I think we'll come back and get that later. Ooh, bacon. So I usually get the big bags of like the mozzarella that are like this, but clearly... Oh, I found it. Got it. Can you reach this? I got long arms.
What are you looking for?
All the way back there. Oh wait, no, it's right here. So Walmart has this Mazzetta marinara, and it is $3.98. And then they also have Raos, which is almost $8. The carbs on Raos are 5 for a half a cup. And then the net carbs on Mazzetta are, where is it at? 6 for half a cup. So like, I usually get the Mazzetta because of money. So just a tip, if you don't want to spend the money for the Raos, get the Mazzetta. What, Cal? What, babe?
If you were wondering, this one is put in my other arm in there.
Yes! This, oh, my favorite one isn't on sale though. Man! I think I have enough blue cheese in my life. Dang it. That's okay.
But this thing looks cool.
I don't ever get the light ones though.
Here,
That's a
get
no-no.
this light one.
That's Green Goddess. I'm not a huge fan of Green Goddess. Okay, now that we're in an aisle where I can actually talk to you guys and not feel super weird. So I didn't get steaks because they didn't have a good steak choice. I think I showed you guys that pretty well. It was pretty expensive for what they offered. I got everything from dairy I wanted. And now we're just getting salad dressing, pasta sauce, and what else do we need? Oh, they did not have the palmini noodles that I wanted. They have good lasagna noodles, and they didn't have that.
I want these that we have.
And then we just need veggie tots for the boys, tortillas, and then the frozen aisle. Let's go. Excuse me. These are for the boys. I don't eat them because they don't make me feel amazing. I'm trying to show you the ingredients. It's just not the best.
Where's chicken?
Those are cauliflower wings, you dork. Watch your head. So I guess I have to get the expensive broccoli florets because they are out of them. Oh, there it is. Asparagus. And zucchini. What else is on the list? Veggie tots, done. Veggies, broccoli, roasted vegetables, tortillas, boom. On to produce. Dinner tonight for me is going to be, I think I'm going to do the meat lovers. Quest pizza. Sundays we usually try to take it pretty easy. So our grand total came to $165.23. Now I will tell you that a lot of that I had ran out of, like the sauces and the cheese crisps and stuff like that. So usually we don't spend that much. I did have to get bulk meat because we were out of a lot of our meats. A lot of times I don't have to buy beef, chicken, and pork. I usually just have to buy maybe some beef, maybe some chicken. So it was definitely at least $30 to $40 on just meat. I did get Kelly and Colton some things. They're not, Colton is keto, but he does more dirty keto, and Kelly eats the dinners we eat, but he eats, you know, regular snacks and stuff like that. We just try to be more healthy. So I would say probably a good 40 of that was for them, not for me, again, with like the household products and stuff like that. So I probably spent about $120 on just food for us three for this week. I also want to say for tonight I got pizza. I don't usually eat the Quest pizzas. They're delicious. I don't have any problems with them. But just for a quick meal tonight. And then I did also get myself some Rebel ice cream. I allow that once a week because I am a recovering binge eater and sweets addict, so I have no self-control with those things, and I just have to be really, really careful with what I have in the house just because it can be tempting. But yeah, so like the veggie tots and the burritos and things like that, those are for Kelly and Colton. But yeah, so I hope that was helpful for you guys. I enjoyed taking you along with me. Like, usually the shelves aren't that low on Sundays. I was a little bit surprised, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, there was a few things I couldn't find that I wanted, but that's okay. If I couldn't find it, I didn't need it, right? So thank you guys so much for joining us, and have a wonderful week. Bye.